Hi, welcome again to 5 Minute Revit. Today we will see how the Revit material work with surface pattern and a cut pattern. Let's see, for example, if I apply from the visibility graphic the cut pattern and surface pattern, how it's work, and after that we will see how it's work in material. For example, if I go to visibility graphic VV, and I go for here in a wall, and I go for surface pattern. For example, for this wall, I will just change the color here to see how it's work. I go for a solid fill, and I go, for example, like orange color. Okay, apply, and you see here. Okay, here we have this override in a pattern with this field. For example, if I go here, I keep the color here, and I go, for example, for this hatch, for example. Okay, now you see if I just put OK here, and you see it's applied for this wall. I go back again to wall here in the VV, and I just like, if I don't want that, I want clear override, it's okay now. Now if I want to see how it's work from, just apply, sorry I forget, I just here in a cut pattern, the pattern here with this fill again, and we choose here a red color here. Okay, apply. Now you see here, for example, the apply for the cut pattern. It's the same for the surface pattern. For here, for this floor, we can change the color from the surface pattern, and we can change also for the cut pattern for this this pattern for the section here. I just go back VV and go to the wall here, and I will clean it. Okay, but I get a question from some friends. He said, okay, I want to change here inside this layer, for example, in the car. Now you must go to Revit material library. How it's work, I will select like here this wall, and I go, for example, to edit type. Now in the type, I have material parameter inside the structure parameter here, and that's bring me to this, to the wall here. And here I can go, for example, to this layer here, and I have this fiberglass path. That's mean here, if I change the pattern here, I can have another hatch, for example. Like here, I will go here. Now I have this material library that have 4 assets, for example. Like here, I had another one, 5 assets. But I will explain deeply in another video how it's work, the material library. Now, what is important for our video today is to customize here the graphic for to have here this layer with another pattern. For example, make sure that you are not on surface pattern, because we want to change in a cut pattern. For that, I have this section here cut pattern. Now I go to the foreground, and I choose the pattern I want. Like you can create, like come back to the video, we have already a video how to create a hatch pattern, but here you can choose just this one to know how it's work. Now you have the pattern. Now you can customize the color. For example, you can choose another color for your pattern here. You see the background for the color, and I apply OK here. OK, OK. Now you see this hatch here. Principle for the floor here, you can go to the edit type and go to the material library and change the surface pattern or the cut pattern for this layer. I hope this video helped to understand how to apply a surface pattern and the cut pattern, and what is the difference when you apply it from visibility graphic or from material library. Don't forget, my friends, to subscribe to get the latest video from 5 Minute Revit. Thank you and have a good day.